The Shark CarpetXpert HairPro with StainStriker is a versatile, powerful, upright carpet and upholstery cleaner designed with pet owners in mind. This model combines multiple features that promise to tackle deep stains, dirt, and of course, pet hair, all while maintaining user-friendly ease of use. It's marketed as the ideal solution for homes with pets or anyone struggling with persistent stains and debris on various surfaces like carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. With its sleek design and high-performance capabilities, this vacuum looks like a game changer for tough home cleaning tasks. At the heart of the CarpetXpert HairPro is its dual activated formula combined with ultra-powerful suction. This makes it a standout option for those looking to clean carpets and upholstery with speed and efficiency. The high-speed brush roll, coupled with power spray technology, ensures that dirt and grime are lifted with precision, while the dry-only mode promises quick dry times, so you're not left waiting for carpets to air out. Whether you're dealing with muddy paw prints, spilled drinks, or just the everyday messes of a busy household, this vacuum claims to deliver unbeatable results. What's more, the Shark CarpetXpert doesn't just stop at surface cleaning. Its suction power and brush roll combination go deep to remove debris stuck in the fibers of your carpet, leaving your floors looking refreshed. The standout feature of the CarpetXpert HairPro, however, is its HairPro technology. Designed to specifically tackle deeply embedded pet hair, it prevents tangles, clogs, and the frustrating experience of hair clumps left behind. Pet owners can especially appreciate how this system captures pet hair, both wet and dry, more effectively than other models. It even boasts 3 times more pet hair pickup than its competitors, making it a must-have for households with furry friends. Additionally, the built-in spot and stain eliminator tackles tough, set-in stains, whether they're from pets, food, or everyday spills, delivering the extra cleaning power you need to fight tough messes without much effort. Included in the box are 4 handy tools designed to handle a variety of cleaning tasks: the pet mess extractor, hair extractor, mini stain eliminator, and stain eliminator tools ensure that every area of your home gets the attention it deserves. These tools help clean everything from your carpets to your upholstery, stairs, and even your car's interior, ensuring no mess is left behind. What's even better is the onboard self-cleaning feature. Simply click in the tool and it cleans itself within seconds, circulating water and cleaning solution throughout the entire system. This added convenience eliminates the need for additional cleaning tools and reduces maintenance time. But does it live up to the claims in real-world use? Let's break down how the CarpetXpert HairPro performs in various cleaning scenarios. Starting with everyday dirt and dust, the vacuum performs admirably, lifting fine dust from hard floors and sucking up particles embedded in carpet fibers. It's easy to maneuver around furniture, making it a breeze to clean under tables, sofas, and other low furniture pieces. The suction power is consistent, even as you move from one surface type to another, and it effectively eliminates pet hair from both rugs and carpets. On stairs, the extra tools come into play, making it easier to clean each step, and the hair extractor does a fantastic job of removing any hair stuck in the fibers. While the vacuum is powerful, it's not without its minor drawbacks. The noise level, while not excessive, can be a little loud during intense cleaning sessions, especially on high-powered modes. This may not be ideal for those who prefer a quieter cleaning experience. Additionally, while the self-cleaning feature is a great convenience, it's not perfect. Occasionally, there might be a slight delay in clearing all debris, and you may need to manually clear out some of the more stubborn blockages in the hose. When it comes to build quality, the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro feels robust and durable. The plastics are solid, and the vacuum doesn't feel flimsy during use, even after multiple cleanings. The system itself is easy to maintain, with easily removable parts that are simple to clean. The vacuum's tank holds a decent amount of dirt, but you will likely need to empty it frequently, especially if you have pets. For long-term use, it's clear that Shark has made efforts to ensure the components are built to last, but like any high-powered cleaner, regular maintenance is crucial to keeping it running smoothly. In terms of value for money, the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro positions itself as a mid to high-end cleaner in the market, and for good reason. Its performance across multiple surfaces, combined with its hair and stain-fighting technology, makes it an appealing choice for pet owners, large homes, or anyone who needs a deep clean. However, it's worth noting that its price point may be steep for those with smaller homes or less demanding cleaning needs. While it offers excellent cleaning power, some competitors in the same range, like the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro or even Shark's own Rocket vacuum line, may deliver similar results at a lower price. As far as comparisons go, the CarpetXpert HairPro stands out due to its specialized pet hair cleaning capabilities, but there are alternatives worth considering. Bissell's ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro offers similar suction power and stain-fighting capabilities, though its attachments aren't quite as comprehensive. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro also provides impressive pet hair removal, but doesn't have the same deep cleaning capabilities on carpets and upholstery, which could be a deal breaker for some. Ultimately, if you need a vacuum designed to fight both stains and pet hair without losing suction, the CarpetXpert HairPro should be high on your list. The overall maintenance of the CarpetXpert is straightforward, with most parts being easy to clean. The brush roll is designed to handle pet hair without clogging, and regular filter maintenance is simple. Long-term reliability seems solid, with Shark's reputation for durable, high-performance vacuums. Still, like with any high-powered machine, keeping an eye on the brush roll and hose for any clogs will ensure the best performance over time. For those considering the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro, it's clear that this vacuum is an excellent choice for households with pets, allergy sufferers, or anyone who needs deep, reliable cleaning power. Its robust suction, combination of specialized tools, and ability to handle pet hair make it a great investment for homes that see a lot of mess. However, if noise or a quieter vacuum is a top priority for you, there are alternatives that may be better suited to your needs. Thanks for watching this review of the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro. If you have any experiences with this vacuum, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our future reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning and goodbye from Reviewsinside TV.